clients and agents. So go to your clients and agents, and you can upload all of your clients and agents with a database, and I'm going to show you that. But from here, you can manage all of your agents. This is an indicator of how many jobs they have referred to you. You can start an inspection job with this agent right here. You can email them, you can edit them, you can delete them. There's a clients list as well. You can start an inspection with a client. You can view your clients, you can edit your clients. You have all that information. If you wanted to upload or import a list of agents or clients, you can download a template in order to get a pre-formatted spreadsheet with the correct columns, or go through the process of uploading your file and go through the process of getting the right columns so that you can have a huge database to manage all of your clients. Now, when you schedule an inspection, your clients and your agents will all be integrated with that scheduling process.